I made this short AI film in under 3 days. Consistent character and world. And I never wrote a single prompt from scratch. If you've tried making serious AI video, you already know the problem. Every tool makes you start from zero on every shot. So I'm just showing the raw, unedited footage first, and then I'll break down exactly how to do it technically. Hey everyone, Nova here. Today I'll show you how to make full-length videos without ever writing a complex prompt again. It's all inside Agent 1. It holds your entire project context, so you just direct the scenes and it handles the rest. To get started, just head over to InVideo and select Agent 1. Agent 1 is built for serious video work. I've been learning it in depth, and today I'll show you how to train it on your project. You can use this for AI filmmaking, AI storytelling, UGC content, product videos, whatever you're making. Okay, so I just type my initial idea here. And then Agent 1 asks for an identity. I like to treat it like a real crew member, so I'm calling this agent my creative producer. I'm basically just telling it who it is and what its job is on this film. Now I just upload 3 things: the full script, the treatment notes, and a document that visually trains it on the color, camera, and cinematic language I want. Agent 1 pulls all of that into context. It builds out your camera rules, color rules, and sound philosophy so they're completely organized. I never have to repeat these rules again. What you're seeing in the context window is exactly what I trained it on from my uploaded guide. It completely defines the cinematic language of the film, from the eye-level handheld camera work and extreme close-ups down to the uncorrected practical lighting and environmental sound design. Because I mapped all of this out beforehand, the agent now understands the exact rules for the entire project. Agent 1 also pulls the exact scenes from the script and maps them directly against the visual reference bank. That bank is basically just screenshots I grabbed from different films to visually show the agent exactly what I mean. To build this guide, just feed a movie or director you love into an LLM and ask for the camera and lighting breakdown. Or simply upload screenshots of shots you love and tell the Agent 1 to mimic that exact cinematic language for your project. Now production starts. And here's the real unlock: you don't need to wait for one agent to finish before starting the next. You can literally run a full crew in parallel. While the creative producer is building out the world, I can jump right in and create another agent. I create a casting agent to handle creating and designing the characters, which in my case is Mia. Since it shares the same main context window, this agent already knows the world she lives in and the exact visual style it needs to maintain. But you can also just upload images of a character vibe, hairstyle, or outfit for extra reference until you get what you need. You can even run the exact same prompt across different models to compare them. Okay, here is a 5-panel grid of different character designs, and I think panel 2 is exactly what I'm looking for. Now I just ask it to focus on panel 2 and extract that image. While the casting agent is busy generating the character sheet, I can jump right over and create another agent called the production designer to start building our environments. I give this agent a very specific directive to design, refine, and lock in our physical spaces with strict visual continuity. Okay, now let me show you the results for the characters and environments. Right here, we have the 2 versions of my character, one before the haircut and one after, along with our 3 main locations. If we open up the Context tab, you can see the characters and environments, with all that technical data on different angles, and lighting completely locked in. Literally every time we make a decision, Agent 1 updates this context automatically. I create one last agent to set up the shots. I tell it to read the script and pull all the data from the other agents in the core context, including the script, Mia's character sheets, and all our locked locations. From there, it turns the entire script into a practical shot list for production. Now that all our technical assets are officially ready, we can go straight into generating the final video shots for the film. The agent is actually intelligent enough to handle this alone, but I'm feeding it my specialized Seedance prompting guide anyway. By reading that template structure, the producer from Agent 1 can automatically generate the entire, highly detailed prompt sequence with perfect visual consistency. It pulls the exact shot plan from the director's assistant agent and immediately starts creating the actual scenes. That covers the main process, but I want to show you one last thing. Imagine you finish generating all your scene images, but notice a slight inconsistency in the reference. Normally, you'd have to build a new character sheet and regenerate every single storyboard completely from scratch. But here, you just ask Agent 1 to refine that imperfection, and it automatically detects and corrects it across every single scene. For example, if I want to make Mia blonde instead, I just ask the agent, and it completely updates all the generated footage. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing how Agent 1 works, from the project context to the final result. If you want access to try this workflow yourself, just comment in video below, and I'll get you the details. Thanks for hanging out today, love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.